My daily routine. My name is Sarah. I am a student. I like to follow a good daily routine. A daily routine helps me stay healthy, active, and happy. Every day I try to use my time properly. I wake up early in the morning. Usually, I wake up at 5:30 a.m. I get out of bed and open the window. I enjoy the fresh morning air. Then I make my bed neatly. After that, I brush my teeth and wash my face. I drink a glass of water because it is good for my health. Then I do some simple exercises. Sometimes I walk in the garden. Exercise makes my body strong and fresh. Next, I take a bath and get ready for the day. I wear clean clothes. Then I say my prayers and thank God for another beautiful day. At about 7 a.m., I have my breakfast. I usually eat bread, eggs, and fruit. Sometimes I drink milk or tea. A healthy breakfast gives me energy for the day. After breakfast, I study for some time. I revise my lessons and read my books. I like to learn new things every day. Studying in the morning helps me remember my lessons better. Then I go to school. I carry my school bag and say goodbye to my family. I travel to school by bus. I enjoy looking at the trees, houses, and people on the way. I reach school before the first bell. I meet my friends and talk with them. Then our classes begin. I listen carefully to my teachers. I write notes and answer questions. I enjoy learning subjects like English, science, and mathematics. During the interval, I eat my lunch and spend time with my friends. We talk and laugh together. Sometimes we play games in the playground. Playing with friends makes school life enjoyable. After the break, I attend the remaining classes. I try to pay attention and complete my work. I respect my teachers and help my classmates whenever I can. School ends in the afternoon. I return home and take a short rest. Then I have a snack and drink some water. In the evening, I do my homework. I complete my assignments carefully. If I have any difficulties, I ask my parents or teachers for help. After finishing my homework, I spend some time reading books or watching educational videos. Sometimes I help my parents with small household tasks. I clean my room, arrange my books, and help set the table. I also play with my friends in the evening. We play cricket, football, or other games. Playing outside keeps me healthy and active. At about 8 p.m., my family and I have dinner together. We talk about our day while eating. Family time is very important to me. After dinner, I prepare my school bag for the next day. I check my books and stationery. Then I spend a little time reading or listening to music. Finally, I brush my teeth and get ready for bed. Before sleeping, I thank God for the day and pray for my family. I usually go to bed at around 10 p.m. I love my daily routine because it teaches me discipline and good habits. A good routine helps me manage my time well. It keeps me healthy, improves my studies, and makes my life happy and meaningful.